In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a feed view in Notion. Notion is a popular all-in-one workspace application that helps you organize notes, tasks, and projects. But did you know that you can also set up a feed view to streamline your workflow? Let me guide you through each step, ensuring a seamless experience as you customize your Notion page. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Notion. Just type Notion into the search bar and look for the official Notion website in the search results. It usually appears at the top as Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. Clicking on this link will take you to the main Notion website. Once on the website, locate the Login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is your passport to begin creating your feed view. After logging in, head on over to your Notion workspace. You'll need to add a new page. Look for the Add New option, usually presented as a button in the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Clicking this will prompt you to choose what type of page you want to create. Select the Empty Page option from the menu. This gives you the freedom to customize from scratch, perfect for our next steps. Once you have your blank canvas before you, give your page a title, something descriptive of the content you'll curate in your feed. Now comes the magic part. Within your new page, type /feed view and hit enter. You'll see a suggestion to create a new empty database. Click on it. This simple command is what transforms your page into a dynamic feed, ready to house the information you need. Now that your feed view is set up, it's time to fill it with content. In the feed view, you can add text by typing directly into the page. At the top of each entry, there's usually an option labeled New Page. Clicking on this will let you add new entries easily and keep everything organized. You might want to visually enhance your feed with images. Type /image to bring up the image menu, then select Unsplash, a handy tool within Notion for free, high-quality pictures. Browse through the options, and when you find one that resonates, click to add it to your feed. And just like that, you have successfully set up a feed view in Notion. You can now manage your tasks, notes, or whatever content you choose in a streamlined manner. This tool empowers you to create a visually engaging database that keeps all your needs in one accessible location. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Notion even more powerful and rewarding. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more productivity tips and tricks.